Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a League of Legends fan itching to redeem those fresh codes for 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether it's for epic skins, champions, or other in-game goodies, this quick guide will get you sorted in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Riot Games account. You can do this through the official League of Legends website or the Riot client. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and straightforward. Step 1. Head over to the Riot Games Code Redemption page. Just open your web browser and search for Riot Games Redeem Code, or go directly to the support site. Once you're there, log in if prompted. Step 2. Look for the code entry field on the page. Carefully type in your code. Double-check for any uppercase letters, numbers, or hyphens to avoid errors. Remember, codes are region-specific, so ensure yours matches your account's region. Step 3. Hit the Redeem button and wait for the confirmation. If the code is valid, you'll see a success message, and your rewards should pop up in your League inventory the next time you log in. Now, a quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like an error message, check if the code has expired or if it's already been used. You can also visit Riot's support page for help. It's always a good idea to redeem codes as soon as you get them to avoid missing out. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy your new items and dominate the Rift. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay legendary.